Hey everyone, it's Mr. Krug. We're going to talk about the pH scale today. Before we get to the questions I have posted, I just want to take a look at the scale itself. Notice the scale has pretty small numbers. It only ranges from 1 to 14. Yet we have a vast variety of different things on the scale. So these small numbers and a vast quantity of different things correlate to having a logarithmic scale. Having a logarithmic scale means that for every one step you go, you increase by 10 times. And I'll explain that more in a second. So let's look at this question here. How many more times acidic is an egg than hand soap? So I've already circled their numbers down here. Hand soap has a pH of 10, and an egg has a pH of 8. So first we want to check how many steps they are away from one another. So we can do 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay, so we're 2 steps away, but on a logarithmic scale, that's really 10 raised to the 2, or 10 times 10, which equals 100. So an egg is 100 times more acidic than hand soap. Okay, let's look at the second question. How many more times basic is bleach than tomato juice? So bleach is all the way over here at 12. And tomato juice is pretty acidic at 4. So we're going to use the same steps we used in the last problem. 12 minus 4 equals 8. So it's 8 steps removed. And we know that really means 10 raised to the 8th times more basic. So we know that the bleach is 10 raised to the 8th times more basic than the tomato juice. Alright, I just have another small thing on the second board about what pH really means. So pH stands for potential hydrogen. This means that the more hydrogen a substance contains, the more acidic that substance is going to be. So I'm going to end with one last question. Compare a pH of 3 with a pH of 5. So we know that 5 and 3 are 2 steps removed from each other. So I can say that the pH of 3 is 100 times more acidic than the pH of 5. I could also say that the other way around and say the pH of 5 is 100 times more basic than the pH of 3. Okay, that's the end of this video. I hope everything made sense to everybody. If you have any questions, definitely message me on Edsby. I hope you're all well.